I'm Joe with Treadmill Heroes, and for the past 14 years, we've been working hard in the workout business. Welcome to the Wrench Press.
Hi, I'm Danny. I work for Treadmill Heroes, and as you can see, I do random jobs for Joe, like take all these mats out, down about 100 stairs.
Lots on the brain here this week, kicking off a Monday morning. We're heading up to the Crocus Foundation. We are finally inserting some equipment into this facility. Well, the box one is open. And it's so stinking good. Not stopping us. It'll be here before the big scissor cutting. Over, under, around, and through.
That's how we do it at Treadmill Heroes.
The key to shooting this nail gun off, wearing your shades and looking cool while you're doing it. Hey,
It's Eclipse Day.
I meant drop them on the trailer.
You said drop.
That can put some stars in your eye if you stare at the sun. Man, whose dog is it? Trailer, and I gotta go.
Why carry these mats downstairs? Let's go check in with Joe. He's at a garage sale having fun.
Today we're looking for some vintage toys and new in the package things for our Gems from the Attic store.
What are you looking for, Winston?
I'm looking for poo.
I'm looking for breakfast first.
Hey, we're getting Hey, we're getting breakfast before we finish up and get the deals.
So it's pretty interesting, yeah. But here's my $2 for my Mountain Dew thing.
All right.
She can haggle with me on the other stuff.
How about, these are so cute. How about $1, $2, $3, and then how about $4 for all the gnomes?
Okay.
And the gun.
Okay.
I did that and there was some coffee in it. It was really funny.
Dude, I'm telling you, for being 42, I'm really, like, still hip. Like, I still got it.
No, you're just crazy like a 22-year-old.
Like, I got the moves yet.
And I didn't dilute the and I forgot to mix the bleach with water.
This is the culprit.
You getting some? Oh, hi, how's it going?
Oh my God, I know we did not dilute it.
And then I'm like, that was probably a mistake when my eyes started burning and I started sweating. I'm like, I gotta get out of here.
My eyes are burning. We're bleaching the basement. There used to be some kitty cats that lived in this house. We're going to eliminate the proof of the kitty cat, whether my eyes burn out of my face or not. But it definitely sounds like somebody cleaning up or smells like somebody cleaning up from a murder.
Joe and Waldo are in the car talking about Bart's appendicitis.
Like, my wrist is wet.
Yeah, I see that, man.
That should be a new term we'll coin. Like, when something's really greasy, we'll say it's a wrist wetter.
So, Bart died?
He almost died. Well, he's in surgery right now. He sat there all night, writhing in pain. I think, like, having appendicitis to me would be like the equivalent of a mild sunburn.
Sunburn.
It's manifested. He manifested an appendicitis.
Yo, and decided to go to the hospital, and sure enough, appendicitis. And unfortunately, we didn't get it in time. My appendix burst open this morning. So that's what I get for winning the tourney, apparently.
Waldo had a second kid.
Let me see Frankie.
She does.
That's me. That's her.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's always exciting.
Yeah.
I'm going to determine exactly why this toilet is leaking. I will get Commander Data some intel here, and if you can bat cleanup for me, boy, you'd be my favorite person for the rest of the night. I promise.
The rest of the night.
The whole night, too. All the way until I wake up in the morning. Landlords are us. Oh, yeah, there it is. There it is. Crack right there in the... right there. Okay. Look at all these tree turds all over the driveway.
Dane's finishing some treads for a new customer of ours.
That was perfect.
Cleaning every crack, popping bolts out, cleaning rollers, changing bearings. We have 3 of 6 done so far. Some sort of disease. Drink it.
My name's not Danny. It's Donnie.
Just picking parts. This one's not broken. Woohoo! 1 for 4.
No. What are you doing?
I need to sit in my desk. Oh,
It's time for lunch.
This is why I hate Fridays. Joe has a lot to do. Joe gets mad because nothing gets done. Running around. And then he relies on other people to get it done for him. And he comes in and sees 4 people at one time sitting and eating. Sitting and eating when they could be walking and eating.
Greasy.
Yeah, but you could
Okay.
at least be pacing back and forth and eating, and that would at least make me feel like you.
Katie's on the phone. Yeah, I'm multitasking here, Joe.
I am going to eat one of those, though.
That's fine.
No, people found. I just tried airdropping it to you.
I'm sorry. I can't hear you because Joe is screaming. How would you realistically do this, though?
Do what?
Say we're gonna hit all of these in one day, still charge them a trip. You get what I'm saying? We'd go to all 4 Davenport locations in one day. So charge them each $1.25.
That's not good.
So Joe was asked to host a bingo fundraiser. Steph is looking for some goodies to give away.
Oh, you know, we do have the Barbie slipper. The Barbie slipper. Okay, we have the Viper, the Dodge Viper car. The what do you mean? Okay, because it's still sealed. Yes? No? Okay, I'm putting it back on the shelf because you already hesitated too long. How about Erin is standing right here recording me as she is. Yes. Ooh, we do have the Chefman electric indoor grill.
People are filing in already. We don't draw the first number for another 45 minutes, and they're already lined down the street. I'd like to think they're here to see me. They don't care about me. But I'm excited to play a small part in this and call some bingo numbers. Let's have some fun.
Hey everybody, tonight is bingo. We are so excited.
Okay. Hello, my name is Callie Langley. I'm a senior here at Wilton High School. I'm a right fielder and a second baseman for our softball team. I'd like to introduce our host and bingo caller for tonight, class of 2000, Mr. Joe Bramer.
Thank you, Callie. Light on the mister. All right, guys, well, we're going to have some fun tonight here. We are celebrating, and cue the applause, this is 50 years of Wilton softball, so give it up. I-27.
We're going to let Natalie decide who the first person was to call the bingo. We'll get this, along with however much dough you win. $40 either one way or split 13 ways. Green card, traditional bingo.
Not according to the sign. 4 corners.
You're right, sir. I didn't mean to upset you. We're going to do 4 corners on the green card. Deepest apologies, sir. And here we go. All right. Everybody good? I-16. You're in luck if you're looking for 061. 061.
Bingo!
Oh, we got a bingo here. Kaylee up front here, front and center. Oh man, now we gotta do a profit split. Man, all right. Oh, bingo! Kaylee's mom. Whew, what an amazing night of bingo. We gave out tons of dough, tons of prizes. And you know what? We had tons of fun here at the Wilton Community Center. Thank you to the Wilton softball team for asking me to be part of this. I had a blast. I hope you had a blast. And if you were thinking about coming and you didn't, well, shame on you. We'll see you next year. Goodbye, everybody.
Be super duper.